All right, so Java Web Token Signature. This is the Java Web Token, the authorization token that we've used before, the bearer token. So it'll be present in Burp here. I'll just log in again, I guess. Let me clear this old stuff and find the Burp browser. All right, and let's log in. And I think I had Bob2. .com, and I think I just made the password that. Yeah, so there I am. Okay, so I've logged in. Here's the post that logged in, and in the response to that, it will set that bearer token, I think. Hello? See, I wonder where there's the list of people. Okay. All right. Anyway, down here, the request to see this shows the bearer token. That's one place to get it. I thought I would see it in the response to the post, but here it is. It's set down here. It's in the JSON part. There's that token with EYJH. And after that, that token is included in every request as your authorization. So there it is. So you take that token, which is a blob of base 64, and copy it, and you can analyze it at a website. Here, jwt.io, just for this purpose. So here's what an encoded token looks like. Here's the decoded thing. It's just a blob of base 64 is all it is. So you can take that out and paste in the token I got. And you see here's the algorithm, a hash function, 512 bits. Here's the data includes Bob2 at AOL. And here's some expiration date and some other date there. And here's a verification of the signature. And to verify the signature, it has to have a secret. This is a shared secret verification. And we don't know the secret at this point. So you can crack the secret if you have some candidates. And you do it, there's a Python tool that will do it. You could run it in any Python environment, like I suppose you could run it in Google Colab. I'm just running it on my Mac natively. And the only thing I have to do is add a word list. So here's the words that I got from that book, giving you some candidate words to try. So I'm going to put that in a word list. All right. And now I can run Python 3, and I've downloaded this JWT tool already. There's the help message. So the syntax is JWT tool target URL and so on, a bunch of junk. Someplace in here goes the word list. I think I have, here's the layout. So you put in your base 64 stuff here and you put the word list there. There we are. So I start with this. And, all right, let's clear. All right, first I put in that stuff. Now I put in the token from here. All right, and then -C -D word list. That should do it. Yep, that should try all the tools, and there it tells you which tool, which is the correct key. So now that you've got the key, you can forge it. So that's the secret is crappy, as you might imagine. So I can go here and put in, oh, it didn't, I have to erase the old stuff. There. Don't know if I have to do something to make it run. Okay, then I should be able to change the email address to this. All right. And that'll create something ending in RPI in that line, and it didn't. Well, I wonder what I've done wrong. Let's see if I got something wrong about the... It was just crappy is the correct tool. Correct key. All right. Pongba. Oh, well. One thing I noticed, well, the purple part should be the same. Let's try comparing these two and see if we can understand the difference. It just, it encodes each part separately. You see, this part is exactly the same. That's just the algorithm. The purple part should be the same, EYJ, ending in G0FQ. It's not quite the same, and that's what worries me. Sub. But, oh, okay, these times aren't the same. Okay, right. These timestamps, of course, have changed. But the start of it should be the same, and it is. This part up to the JW is the same. All right, also, what's going on is my window is not quite the same width. That's why things don't look quite the same. There. Now it matches very, now the purple part matches exactly. And the next part is different. That's the signature. And don't quite understand why that's not the same. Did I have to press enter here or something? No? All right. Anyway, I'm not going to worry about it. All right, so I should be able to use this forged token. Let's see if it works. That's the real test. So copy this. And take the get request and send to the repeater. So that's here in burp. Okay, this get is the thing that uses authentication. So if I send that to the repeater and I repeat it now without changing anything, the response is 200 OK and it gives me the information. But if I were to send an invalid bearer token by changing this, like change that Z to a W, then it should reject it. And it does, unauthorized. So this is the way to tell if the token I put in is valid. So if I delete this old token and put in the one I got from the web page and send that, it's valid again. So I am successful. Even though it didn't match exactly my picture, it did successfully create a token. And I think the signature is different because some of those timestamps are different. All right. So that's cracking a Java Web Token signature and forging one. And I think that was using the forged token. All right. And so you get available credit. That's interesting. Available credit is supposed to come in the answer. Oh, okay. There is some available credit in the answer. Fair enough. All right. So that's it for 102. And I'm going to stop this video and make a separate video for 103.